Salam everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 1.1 question number 2, then 4 and then 5th. All these questions are of prove that. These are somewhat odd type of questions which are not calculative. These are somewhat theory based questions which you have to try to practice more and more so that you get the confidence. Here I am going to start solving second one, but when I am going to solve the fourth one and then fifth one, you will feel quite comfortable how to solve this type of prove that. It's quite simple only. Then also the way we have to prove it, it's not somewhat similar to what we had done in the previous part of this chapter. So here, as per the statement, show that any positive odd integer. So first of all, the condition is what? This is for any positive odd integer. So it's a positive also and odd integer also. So positive odd integer means like 3, 1, 5, 7. If I take minus, then these are not positive integers. So it should be what? It's a plus 2. It's plus 1, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7. So positive odd integers is in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. We have to prove all these odd positive integers are in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. This is what we are supposed to prove, where q is some integer. जो q है वो क्या है? कोई भी integer हो सकता है. So let's start. This all the next three proof that which I am going to explain are totally based on Euclid method or Euclid division lemma. So let's start with here solution. So as I told you here, let A be any positive integer. मैंने कोई a ले लिया because we have to find that positive integer. Integer is not given but the form is given 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. Now you think how to get this whole number. So this is the number 6q plus 1. So if I write a is equals to 6 into 2 plus 3. What does it mean? It's 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 3 is what? 15. So I can say that a is what? 15. So this 15 I can write in this form like this: 6 into 2 plus 3. So somewhat this type of form we have to prove here without using any number. Now let's compare this all the number with what? Euclid division lemma, that is a equals to bq plus r. If we compare this bq plus r, all these are in this form. See, instead of b here it is what? 6. Instead of q, as here it is q. This is r, these are what? Remainder. 5 is remainder, 3 is remainder and 1 is also remainder. So this is the way we are going to compare this proven part with what? Euclid division lemma. A is equals to bq plus r. So can you compare this? Now if I compare this number and this number, any of this number, take 6q plus 3. So instead of b here it is what? 6. b की जगह पे क्या है? 6. So here I am going to take and b is equals to what? 6. तो मैंने positive integer को a लिया and divisor is what? 6. Because 6 is a multiple of each and every form. हर एक form में 6 common multiple है. So 6 into q, 6 into q, 6 into q. So I can see that 6 is what? Divisor. Now, according to Euclid's division lemma, I can say that a is equals to what? bq plus r. So this will be what? If I replace the value of a and b here, a क्या हो जाएगा? This implies a is equals to 6q plus r. Now this remainder is what? Remainder is always lesser than the divisor. जो भी divisor होगा उससे remainder क्या होगा? कम होगा. So condition for that is what? Remainder is less than 6 or greater or equals to 0. Then what are the possible remainder for this? possible remainder are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Why 0 to 5? Because remainder is less than 6. If I divide any number by 6, if you take here 41 divided by 6, it's what? 6 are 36 and remainder is what? 5. If I divide 6 by what? 40, it's again 6 are 36, remainder I'll get what? 4. Similarly, I'll get all the remainder lesser than what? 6. So the possible remainder are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the possible remainder. So by using this remainder and this equation, say this is what? 1 and say this is what? 2. By using 1 and 2. We can get A is equals to 6 is 6, Q as it is. Now instead of remainder, first of all I'll try with what? 0. So 6Q plus 0 is what? 6Q. Now take the second remainder. What I am doing, I am just replacing the value of different values of R from here. Is 0, पहले R की जगह क्या लगाया? 0. Now instead of R I am going to replace it by 1. 6Q plus 1. Now it is not possible to add it, so it's 6Q plus 1. Then here we can write if R equals to 1. Now if R equals to 2, then A is equals to 6Q plus 2. Similarly, I can write here if R equals to 3, then integer equals to 6Q. Now instead of R I have to replace it by 3. Again, if remainder equals to 4, then A is equals to 6Q plus 4. If R equals to what? 5. अब कहाँ तक जाना है हमें? How many values we have to take? जितने remainder हमें मिले, that many values I have to take for the remainder. Now A is equals to 6Q plus 5. So this many values are possible for the positive integer A. Still our 2 steps are left. I hope you understood up to this. Now what I want actually, I want any positive odd integer. Now this thing I want only for odd integer. So let's prove with a statement. So you just pause the video and note down up to this. Now the part which you have to prove, let me write down here so that we know what we have to prove. It's 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 3 and 6Q plus 5. This we have to prove. Now I got 6 equation. Now first equation is what? 6Q only. What does it mean? 6. Now Q stands for what? Some integer. If I replace any integer here, suppose if I take 1 here, 6 ones are 6. If I take instead of Q, अगर Q की जगह मैं 2 लूँगा, if I take 2, 6 2s are 12. If I take 3, 6 3s are 18. Am I getting here odd number? Am I getting here positive odd integer? No. This all are what? Even, and this is also even. So here I can write this is what? Even. Now let's use the second equation. This is not the part which I am writing here. It's not part of a solution. This is only part of explanation. Up to this you have to write then 6Q plus 1. Second is what? 6Q plus 1. So take instead of Q we will take integer 1 plus 1. How much? 6 plus 1 is how much? 7. Now instead of Q I'll take 2. 6 2s are plus 1. It's 12 plus 1, 13. Similarly, instead of Q, I'll take 3. So 6 3s are 18 plus 1. So it's what? 19. So in each and every case, 7, 13, 19. Am I getting an odd integers? Yeah, I am getting an odd integers. So here I am going to write what? It's an odd. Similarly, 6q plus 2. Now instead of this 1, what I am going to add here? I am going to add 2. 6q plus 2. So instead of 1, here 2, here 2, here 2, 2 and 2. Now 6q plus 2 from here, third equation. 6q plus 2. So 6 into 1 is 6 plus 2 is what? 8. It's 14. And here it's what? 18 plus 2 it's what? 20. So are they even? Are they odd numbers? No, these are not odd integers. These are even integers. So here I have got what? Even. So similarly we can write this 6q plus 3 will get what? Odd integer. 6q plus 4 I'll get even integers. Similarly 6q plus 5 I'll get what? Odd integers. This is only part of explanation. You are not supposed to write all this part. Six q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. Now out of this 6 equation, just look at the equation which has odd integers. So which are they? 6q plus 1 is an odd, yeah. Then 6q plus 3 is an odd, yeah. 6q plus 5 is an odd. Look at the what equation you have to prove. 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. So what statement we are going to write here? Here, from above equations, this 6q, then 6 plus 2, 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4 are having what? Are not having, are positive even integers. तो ये जो तीन केसेस 6q, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 4 are what? Even integers. And this one 6q plus 1, then 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 are what? Odd positive integers. So hence we prove that this 3 equation has what? Odd positive integer. So this is the way we can prove what? Question number 2 of exercise 1.1. So this is the only new thing you have to learn. So let me explain you the next question. You will find better and you will feel much more confident regarding how to solve this, because second, fourth and fifth all are of similar type of question. Just minute changes are there in the steps. Few more steps you have to do after this one. Fourth, it's another proof that somewhat similar to the previous one. Now use Euclid's division lemma to show that square of. Now here the new thing is what? It's a square of any positive integer. In the previous question it was positive odd integer. It is only given square of any integer. Positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. So we have to prove square of any positive integer is in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. So let's start with again same thing. For solution, let a be any positive integer, a be any positive integer and b is equals to what? In the previous sum it was 6. It was like this: 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So what we took as a divisor, it's 6. Now here instead of this here it is what 3m and 3m plus 1. So this m is what quotient term, and if I compare this one with a is equals to bq plus r. So instead of b here it is what 3. So what I am going to take as a divisor will be 3. Then now if 3 is divisor, then according to Euclid's division lemma, according to Euclid division lemma, that is what a is equals to bq plus r. Implies what? Now replace its value a as it is. Now instead of b I am going to write down 3. Now instead of q, what we are going to take as what? M, or just take here q plus it's what remainder r. Now here I got the equation a is equals to 3q plus r. Here what is the divisor? 3. As we know the condition for remainder, it's always r is always smaller than divisor. Divisor is what? 3. That is what? b, and greater or equals to what? 0. 0 se bada or equals to 0 or less than divisor. So for this condition, what is the divisor? 3. So the possibilities of r is what? Less than 3, greater than 0. So possible remainders are 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1, 2. These are the possible zeros. Sorry, these are the possible remainder 0, 1 and 2. Now we'll replace this value of remainder. R is equals to what? You can take R is equals to what? 0, 1, 2 here in equation 1. Say this equation is what? 1, and say this remainder is what? 2. So from 1 and 2, integer a is equals to what? A is equals to 3q. What is the r here? It's what? 0. So I got a is equals to 3q. Now if a is equals to 3q, what I have to do here? Read the question again. It's to show that the square of any positive integer. So this is the positive integer a, and this is the equals to 3q. Now I have to make it square. Square of any integer. So squaring both the side. So I'll get what? A square equals to 3q square. So this will be 9q square. But the answer which I want, that is what? What I have to prove here? I want to prove 3m and 3m plus 1. This is of last sum. So now anyhow this 3q square को मुझे ये टर्म को कैसे भी किस फॉर्म में लाना है? 3m के फॉर्म में लाना है. So what I'll do here? I'm going to split this 9. How I'm going to split this? It's 3 into 3q square. So it's 3 into 3, it's 9 only. So these both are same only. So instead of this 3q square, I'm going to write what? M, where m is any integer. m कोई भी integer हो सकता है. So I can write ये जो term था, what I did, this is the only thing you have to understand. ये जो 3q square था, वो कोई भी integer हो सकता है. Multiply by 3 means 3 into any number. That any number I took as what? M. So I got the first condition, that is what? 3m. From this remainder, first remainder. Now same thing I have to prove for remainder 2, that is what? 1. So let's start solving that one. So for the second, let's take again a as it is 3q. Now instead of r I am going to replace it by what? Instead of r I am going to replace it by 1. So squaring both the side. So it's a square whole square. This will be 3q plus 1 whole square, it's 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Now what is this? This is what? Nothing, it's a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if you solve this whole square like this, a square plus 2ab plus b square, we'll get this one only. And if you want to make it whole thing, let me clear with whole step. So it's a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is what? 3q, b is what? 1. So I can write it's 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Now once you got up to this equation, now you think how to convert this equation in the form of either in the form of 3m or in the form of 3m plus 1. So converting to this form, what I am going to do, I will take common in the first two terms only, because 1 is here, 1 is already here, so I am not going to touch this one. So what I am going to do, I am going to take out something common between these two. Now you will think q is also common, but I don't want any q here, so I'll take out what only? I'll take out only 3 common. I'll take out 3 common outside, so inside it will remain 3q square plus 2q. It's what? 2q plus 1. So if you look at this, ये दो टर्म में से मैंने 3 को कॉमन निकाला, so 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this integer 3q square plus 2q, both as what? Any integer, say that integer as 1. तो ये पूरे ब्रैकेट को मैंने क्या सपोज कर लिया? m. So that point we have to write where so here we will write where m is equals to 3q square plus 2q, any integer. This is a, you can write in a bracket, doesn't matter, just you can write 3q square plus 2q is equals to what? M. M is stands for any integer, not any one variable like x. It can be any integer or some integer we can write. It is also mentioned in the question itself. Now this is what? Second proof. This is the first part, we are done. This is what? Second part. One more remainder is left. Now what is the remainder? The remainder is 2. Again go back to the standard equation we got, that is a is equals to 3q plus, now instead of remainder what I am going to use, it's 2, squaring both the side, so it's a square 3q plus 2 whole square, so this is what? 9q square, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus it's 12q, it's 4 plus, that's it, plus this 2. So this much I got, 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Now here, now what you want to take out common here? If I want to convert, this is what 4, but here I want 1, not 4. यहाँ पे क्या 1 है, and here I am getting 4, the square of this bracket. Again I am using what? A square plus 2ab plus b square for squaring. So anyhow I have to get here 1. So what I'll do, I'm going to split this 4. How I'm going to split? 9q square, 12q, I'm going to write 3 plus 4. If I write 4 or 3 plus 1, both are one and the same. So let me continue here. A is equals to this. Out of this 3 term, first 3 term, what is common? Because this plus 1 I want here. So what is common in first 3 term? It's 9 is common, sorry, 3 is common. 3 is common, so inside it will remain 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. Now what I am going to do again, I got 3 multiplied by something plus 1. This is what 3 multiplied something plus 1. So they are somewhat similar in formation. So what I am going to take, instead of this whole bracket, I am going to use that what? M. ये bracket की जगह M आ गया plus 1. This is what? A. So this is what? Third condition. This is what? Second condition here. And here it's the first condition. So in first, second and third, have we got 3 conditions only? Because of what? There are 3 remainders. In the previous one, there were 6 remainders. So we did 6 equation. यहाँ पे 3 remainder है. इसलिए हमने कितने remainder, कितने equation से solve किया? With 3 equation we solved it. Because of 1, 2 and 3 remainder. So this is the way we can solve it. Let me tell you again all the things with a quick recap. So A is what? It's 3Q plus R. So I just replace the value of R here 1 by 1. First I replace it by what? 0. याद कीजिएगा 0 आ गया. A is equals to 3Q. In question it is given square of any positive integer. So by squaring both the side, I got 9Q square. I split this 3 into 3. I got here 3 into something. This something I took as what? M. Where M is any integer or some integer. Similarly, then I took here 1 remainder, squaring both the side. I got 9Q square plus 6Q plus 1. Then I have to take out common from first row number. That is what? 3. So this bracket, whole bracket I took as what? M. And similarly we done here in third one, where I got here 4. फिर 4 को मैंने क्या किया? Split कर दिया. 3 plus 1. Because the last term which I want, that is plus 1. And here I got plus 4. So I split this 4, 3 plus 1, so that there is common between first 3 term. पहले 3 term में common आ गया, that is what? 3 taken out outside common. This whole bracket I took as what? M. And I got this one. So this is the way we can prove all the 3 equations for question number 4. Let's start next example. Question number 5. This is almost similar to the previous one, but here it's what? Let's read the question. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube. Now the new thing is what? Here in the previous question it was square. Now here it is cube. तो वहाँ पे हमने squaring both the side किया था. यहाँ पे क्या करना होगा? Cubing both the side of any positive integer. Again it's given only positive integer is in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So we have to get into this form. Now let's start with solution. Let A be any integer. Let A be any integer and B is equals to what? Here in the last sum for 3m and 3m plus 1, we took B as what? 3. But here it is what? 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. But suppose if I take 9, then the remainders are what? It becomes, remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 9 remainders are there which make the solution very complex. So what we'll do, the common factor of 9 is what? 3. 3 is a factor of 9 only because 9 has the factor 1, 3 and 9 itself. So it is possible to what? It is possible to take 3 as a common divisor. We can divide, we are going to take divisor as what? 3 instead of 9. Again I am repeating, if I take divisor as 9, the possible remainders are what? 0 to 8. Then we get 8 equation and it becomes what? Very complex equation to form. It is possible to get with this remainder, but it's better to use what? 3. So here to make the calculation somewhat simpler, we are going to take what? B is equals to 3 because B is a common factor of 9. Sorry, 3 is a common factor of 9. So B is 3. Then according to Euclid's division lemma, we can write A is equals to what? BQ plus R implies what? A as it is. Now instead of B I am going to take 3Q plus R, where R is what? smaller than 3, greater or equals to 0. R is greater, smaller than 3, greater than 0 or equals to 0. So possible remainders are equals to 0, 1 and 2. I think up to this, each and every second sum, fourth sum and fifth sum has same method till here. Now I have to replace this value in this equation 1. So we can take this equation as, this one as what? 2 and this is what as 1. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. Let's start with first one. If R equals to what? 0, then A equals to 3Q plus R. R की जगह क्या आएगा? 0. Now as per the segment I want cube of an integer, so cubing both the side, तो क्या हो जाएगा? A cube and this is what? 3 cube. So this 3 cube is what? 27 cube. Now let's go what you have to prove. I want to prove 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. तो जो prove करना है उस पर थोड़ा ध्यान देना है. So I'm going to split this 27 in the multiple of 9. So I'm going to take 9 into what? 3q cube. So 9 into 3q cube, I'll get what? 27q cube. So it's what? 9 into m, where m equals to what? 3q square. M की जगह क्या आ जाएगा? And where m is any positive integer. So this is the way we can prove with remainder 0. Now similarly I have to prove with what? Remainder 1. Now before solving this, I think all of you know the formula of a plus b whole cube is what? A cube, b cube, 3ab, a plus b. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. This formula we are going to use for the next two remainder. So let's start it. It's a is equals to what? 3q plus remainder is how much? 1. So cubing both the side, a cube equals to 3q plus 1 whole cube. So it's 3q cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into ab, a minus b means 3q plus 1. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा a, that is what? 3q. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 1. So open the bracket. So it's 27 cube plus 1, 3 3s are 9q, 3q plus 1. Open the bracket. So this will be 27 q plus 1, 9 into 3, 27 q into q square, 9q into 1, it's what? 9q. Rearrange them according to the power form. 27 q plus 27 q square plus 9 q and this 1. Now I want to get here what? 1. यहाँ पे मुझे 1 चाहिए था, वो 1 आ गया. Now what is the common in first three terms? पहले 3 term में common क्या है? Definitely 9 is common. Even I know q square and q is common, but to get into this form I am not going to take q as a common outside. So keep 9 as it is. So 9 3s are 27 cube, 9 3s are q square and plus 9 1s are plus 1. Now what we are going to do, insert this whole bracket, 9 into something plus 1, it's 9 into something plus 1. So this whole bracket I am going to take as m. So 9 into m plus 1. This is what? A cube. ये जो a cube था, this is what a cube, this is a cube, and finally I got what a cube. This is what second half proved by the remainder, by using remainder 1. Remainder यहाँ पे क्या use किया था 1. Now similarly I am going to use the last remainder, that is what 2. So just think about it. If I am going to use all the 8 remainders, if I take divisor as 9, so it's quite complex. So we are using what 3 as a divisor. Now if r equals to what 3, then a is equals to 3 cube plus, sorry, r equals to 2, not 3. Divisor is less than 3, so it's 2. Cubing both the side, it's a cube 3 plus 2 whole cube. Formula of cube, it's what 3 cube whole cube 3 into ab. जैसे ये ab, so ab, a plus b means whatever bracket is there, same bracket, 3q plus 2. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, a is what 3q and here 2. Open the bracket, 27 cube 8, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 cube, 3q plus 2. Now 18 3s are 54 q square, 18 2s are 36. So arrange them in power form. 27 cube, it's cube, plus 54 q square, and here it's 18 q into 2, it's 36 q here. So 36 q plus 8. Now if you look at the what we have to prove क्या करना था हमें, 9m plus 8. तो जो 8 है वो यहाँ पे आएगा, ये रहा. So what is common between all these 3? So definitely I'm going to take out what common 9. I'm going to take out 9 common outside. So inside 9 3s are 27, 9 6s are 54 square, and 9 into 4, it's what 36 plus 8. Then again as it is, this is 9 into something plus 8. So this is 9 into m plus 8. So I'm going to take this 9 into m plus 8, where m equals to what 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q plus 4q. M equals to, where m is any integer. So this is the way I got the third condition also. Then finally always you have to write the final statement from the question. जो क्वेश्चन में होता है वो स्टेटमेंट लिख देना. So what I'm going to write, therefore cube of any positive integer, these are the positive integer, a cube, cube of any positive integer is of the form of, it's 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. So this is the way we can prove question number 5 of exercise 1.1. It's quite odd one. Then also if you practice second, fourth and fifth together, definitely you'll get the confidence how to solve this, because major of the part is same in all the second, fourth and fifth. These are the proof that, so practice this twice or thrice, definitely you'll get confidence how to solve this type of prove that.